Welcome to San Pedro del Pinatar. Today we are giving you an exclusive tour of these stunning new villas. Get ready to fall in love with your dream home on the beautiful Costa Blanca. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I invite you to enjoy the summer vibes in the southest part of Costa Blanca. We arrived here to show you a brand new face of a significant designed brand new villas here. With a private pool, a beautiful design, very luxury amenities and details. So let's check it together. You will see that this home is an absolute dream came true. Let's start with the exterior. These villas boast a sleek and modern design, featuring clean lines and expansive windows that flood the interior with natural light. The beautifully landscaped gardens and private pool create a serene oasis, perfect for enjoying the warm Spanish climate. As we step inside, you are immediately greeted by a spacious open-plan living area. The high ceilings and large windows create a bright and airy atmosphere, making this space perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The living room seamlessly connects to the dining area and kitchen, ensuring an harmonious flow throughout the home. Moving on to the bedrooms, each one is designed with comfort and luxury in mind. The bathrooms are modern and stylish, with high-end fixtures and finishes that add a touch of elegance. One of the standout features of these villas is the outdoor space. The private pool is perfect for refreshing dip on a hot day, and the spacious patio is ideal for outdoor dining and entertaining. Whether you are hosting a barbecue or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this outdoor area has it all. Location is everything, and these villas are situated in the charming town of San Pedro del Pinatar. You are just a short drive away from beautiful beaches, known for its calm waters, ideal for families and water sports enthusiasts. Vibrant weekly local markets offering fresh produce, local crafts, and various goods. In the downtown, the central square offers historical buildings, shops, and variety of restaurants and coffees. This area is truly exceptional, offering many possibilities, such as Las Salinas y Arenales, a stunning natural park here in San Pedro del Pinatar. These beautiful salt flats and sand dunes are home to a variety of bird species, including the iconic flamingos. It's a perfect spot for nature lovers and bird watchers to take in the scenic and unique landscape. There is also natural mud bath located by the salt flats, known for their therapeutic properties. Europe's largest saltwater lagoon, Mar Menor, is just 4 minutes driving away, known for its warm, shallow waters. And here, a cool bonus for you. Buy one of these villas and we are giving you a 55 or a 65-inch smart TV worth €2,000. Perfect for movie nights or your favorite shows. Thank you for joining us on this tour today. If you have any question regarding this villa or you would like to organize your personalized home tour here in Costa Blanca, just contact us. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss out our further videos. See you in the next one. Bye!